back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. My beautiful windmills. It's kind of windy today and they're blowing. I love them. Can you see that? There it goes. Whee! 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 There are my other ones here, but they aren't doing anything. It's not windy there, but it is, but they're not blowing though. Anyway, that's it.